Okay, so we're gonna be walking down this one. I think it's called Dihua Street. I'll label it all accordingly anyways. And basically we're kind of on this other main street down this way, and this pedestrian street also goes down that direction as well. So we could go different directions here. And what we're gonna do is just go right through the middle of all these crowds here. Checking out Taipei 2023. Okay, let's get started. So we're gonna go into Dihua Street, and actually everybody's walking this direction, which is great. So much better for the video. If I can walk towards people where their faces are my direction, then it's perfect. Don't know how long that'll last though. I'm gonna guess it goes with the timing of the lights. So we are gonna keep doing that, but let's just kind of check out some of this stuff. It's popular. Spirit of Craftsman, okay. So let's just kind of come out of there. So kind of got all kinds of cool stuff everywhere. Gonna keep on walking down. Yeah, actually I think this street had a ton of vendors here a couple days ago. Looks like there's some, but I'm wondering if because it's Chinese New Year Day that we still have all the crowds of people walking around, but we don't really have the we don't have as many food stalls, which actually makes it great for walking. So the camera overheated. I forgot, actually it's finally some good weather, so now the camera overheats like that sometimes. So, okay. So what we're gonna do is keep on walking and continue down our street. Kind of broke up the rhythm. Because actually, you know, when I'm on the camera, I'm basically the guy talking the whole time. Okay, so I'm kind of curious what's going on over here. But once I turn the camera off, and then I'm just kind of watching everybody and observing everybody, and then I just kind of like to do that without the monologue. So it's like strange to start talking again, because when you're talking, people notice. Okay, let me just kind of come over to this side real quick. There's something going on over here. Let me see what this is. I think it's probably Chinese New Year. Let's come back into this again. There we go. It's really cool. Let's go back out again. Get some snacks there. I'm gonna go over this way real quick. Oh, it's like karaoke. See if I have any friends here.
朋友平安、幸福、健康都在你左右哦。迎接新的未来哦。
Try to come out of here. See what's over here. More snacks. Let's see what these are. See what the lineup is for. Okay, so it's like Asian cake and cheese. Okay. So there's a pretty long line that goes all the way down that way. There it is right there. Currency exchange. Chunju. Okay, let me see. So we are in Dihua Street. Oh, there's actually a visitor center in Dihua Street. Okay. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come up to the corner here and I'm going to film a different street. Kind of interesting though. Dihua Street. Actually, this little plaza area looks interesting. Let's see here. So we could, looks like the end is about a half a block away. And I think this is probably a pretty good ending spot. And I'm probably going to walk down this street that I'm on right now. So this is called Dihua. We're going to be ending this one. This looks pretty interesting to go up, though. Okay, so we're going to end Dihua Street. That was another shoot of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.